Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Kia Seltos EX. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that classic backup camera. We got a roof spoiler. We do get roof rails as well, which is pretty nice for cargo. Mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we do have that nice Kia grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, get a little light down there, and you can collapse this row if you need more space, and you do get your normal storage with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, got these cool looking speakers that have texture. You got a carpeted interior and floor mats, rear vents, storage, and a USB. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with that same textured speakers. Got your lights, auto stop, auto start, lane keep, and traction all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 75,129 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your heated steering wheel function right there. You got your toggle for your screen, your steering wheel modes, cruise control. You got your phone, volume, mode, playback, play forward, voice, modes, all that fun. And look at here, it's just going to tell me that my vehicle's going to turn off soon. Oh well. We have our Eco, Smart mode, all that jazz. Got your lane centering, user information, fuel economy, cumulative intro, and all that fun. We do get heated front seats, locking dip, hill, parking brake, cup holders, leather wrap center console with tons of storage. Your drive modes are right there, which do include Sport, Normal, and Smart mode. To my right here, we do have all our climate controls right there. You got a little screen here for it, and the rest are all buttons. You got storage below. Above me, we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our infotainment system, you got your radio, media, fave apps, seek, track, setup, all that jazz. We're gonna go here. We have what station we're currently on, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, just conveniently right here that you can click through. Your all menus, driving info, user manual, voice memos, all that jazz, phone, media controls, and your setup. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA32641A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.